Hi, it's Miss Loftus, and today we're doing partial quotients, which is a different way to divide multi-digit numbers. This is very different, parents, from the way you probably learned it, the way I learned it in school, long division. We don't teach it that way anymore. So I did want you to see how we're teaching it to your students, so if they need help with their homework, you have an idea of the way we're doing it. This actually is good because unlike long division, if you make a mistake, you can catch yourself later. So we're going to use our landmarks. We're going to take the number we're dividing by, and we're going to use our landmarks. Times 1, times 10, and times 100. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 10 is 30. 3 times 100 is 300. And we've got to decide what number, 3 times what, is going to get us closest to 330 without going over. We talked about the Price is Right today. You've got to get close, but you can't go over. So if I use 3 times 1, I'm not very close. 3 times 10, 30 isn't close, but 3 times 100 is close. It gives me 300, and I still haven't gone over. So I'm going to put my 100 over here. 100 times 3 is 300, and I'm going to subtract, just like I used to do in long division. 0 minus 0 is 0. 3 take away 0 is 3, and then, of course, 3 minus 3 is 0. Now I've got a new problem. It's just 2 steps, and now I'm starting over. Now I've got to get to the number 30 without going over, as close as I can without going over. I'm going to use the same numbers I used before. 3 times 1 times 10 or times 100. So which one can I use? 3 times 1 gives me 3. It doesn't go over, but it's not that close. 3 times 10 gives me 30, and that's perfect. So I'm going to use that number. I can't use 3 times 100 because it gives me 300, and that is over 30. So I'm going to use 3 times 10. 10 times 3 is 30. And when I subtract, I don't have any left. That's how I know I'm ready to stop here. So to get my answer, I'm just going to add my numbers on the side. 330 divided by 3 is 110. So tomorrow I'm going to be doing a video on remainders. Today we did not deal with any remainders whatsoever. So this is partial quotients. I'll send another video home tomorrow if you have any questions about that. I know it's a lot different, but that's the way they teach it now. So if you have any questions, shoot me an email, or we'll work on this some more tomorrow. Have a good day.
Max Plummer, please call the office. Max Plummer, please call the office.